Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to know and find out your cPanel username and password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your account. So if you don't already have one, obviously you're going to register. But what we're going to do to be able to find out all our info is the following. First, guys, if you already know your username and password or you're already logged in and you want to see what it is, you can use your dashboard right here. So this is your dashboard where you'll be able to find all the info such as your file manager, databases, and all the options you can access. And in the upper right corner you'll be able to access your account. So what you want to do is open up your account settings. There you'll be able to take a look at what your username is and you can reset your password if necessary. But if you do not know your password or username but you want to log in, what you can do is click the login option, and after clicking on login it's going to open up this new login page. And under the login page guys is going to be an option that says forgot your password. So what we're going to do is click on forgot your password, and once you click this option, it's going to provide you to this step where you can enter in the email address that is used for your account. So provide your email address and click submit, and now it's going to send you an email with your password reset option and your username that you can use for your account, and there you can see everything you need. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.